Alright, I'm going to show you a little information about Tubebuddy. If you would like to sign up, you can go to the top right and click the drop down and go to my website, or you can go down in the description and click on the link and go straight to the Tubebuddy and sign up. You remember about a year ago they changed the new policies in YouTube to where you had to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 view hours. So if you didn't have that, you wouldn't be able to monetize. So I barely made it last year. I probably got like 2 over. So I had 1,002 subscribers. So I signed up for this Tubebuddy, and this was really great. I'm glad I got it, because if you got more than 20 videos, and you probably should sign up. As you can see, I got 777 videos. That's a lucky number there. So here on the Tubebuddy, what you can do bulk, find and replace thumbnails. You can copy one card to another video or to 777 videos, which I did a few yesterday, and it took like 35 minutes to copy one card to 776 other videos. And I also changed some end screens, and without this application, what took me 35 minutes would have taken me probably 2 or 3 weeks. So I would recommend this to anybody. I mean, it's a lot of stuff. You could back up all your videos at one time, and if you just play around with this, you'll find out a lot of stuff you can do. And you can also click right here and you could check, and it'll run a scan and let you know how many videos that you probably should monetize that you don't have monetized. You may have forgot to monetize some of them. So this Tubebuddy is a really good application. So like I said, if you would like to sign up, you can go to the top right and click the drop down and go to the site, or you can look in my description below. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.